Hi, this is Dr. MARWAN ABDELDAYEM from Applied Science University, Bahrain. Actually, it's my pleasure to collaborate with some researchers from international universities in order to conduct some research together. In particular, Dr. Yeting Yang from School of Finance, Chengdu Yanqing College in China. I would be grateful if you could collaborate with me in my proposed research. Title of my proposed research that we may collaborate with in order to publish together is Prediction and Analysis of chinext stock price based on linear and nonlinear composite model. In this study, my idea is first to use the Gray correlation analysis combined with the gravitational research algorithm model to model the time series linearly. In this way, the predicted value of the GEM stock price will be obtained. It is expected that the simulation analysis of the calculation example will find the value of average relative error of the prediction result of our proposed model, and then we may come up with whether the operation efficiency is high or low. This is briefly the idea of my proposed research, and hopefully we might get together in order to complete such research and then find a proper way to publish together. By doing this, we can make a kind of collaboration between Applied Science University in Bahrain and your School of Business in Chengdu Yanqing College in China. Thank you very much.